Today I'm going to show you how to install the Whitestone Dome UV Gen film screen protector on our S23 Ultra. However, the installation process will be the same for the S23 and S23 Plus as well. Let's start off with what you get in the box. So in the box you'll get a couple of film screen protectors, you'll get a couple of wet wipes for cleaning the screen, 2 microfiber cloths, a couple of dust stickers, a squeegee, a plastic installation tool, a foam adhesive pad to stop the phone moving around, and finally, obviously, the UV light. There is no USB wire, so make sure you grab that and maybe a power bank or some sort of power supply to turn this on. The first thing you'll want to do is grab this little plastic installation tool and pop it into the USB-C port. Make sure the pins are pointing up on the jig. Next, you'll want to grab that foam stopper and remove the protective backing to stick it to your table. This will stop the phone sliding around during installation. Next up, grab a wet wipe and thoroughly clean the screen. Next up, grab one of the microfiber cloths and then make sure you dry the screen, ensuring no moisture is left over. And then finally, grab the dust stickers and lightly dab it on the screen to remove any dust. Now you're ready to grab the film screen protector. The first thing you'll want to do is remove the back protecting part. Then you can insert it on to the installation jig, making sure the tab is securely on. Then grab your squeegee, pop it into the center line of the screen protector and then push it up towards the top. At this point, the camera cutout should align perfectly with the camera hole. After checking the alignment and making sure that you're happy, you can remove the bottom tab and the installation jig from the bottom, spin the phone around and then repeat the same process towards the bottom of the phone. Now ensure that you're happy with where the film screen protector is. Place the squeegee on the bottom start line, then pull the screen protector towards you and then push up with the squeegee, making sure you apply a good amount of pressure and take your time. Now you'll need to repeat this on the bottom half of the phone. So spin the phone around 180 degrees, place your squeegee onto the bottom start line again, and then pull the remaining part of the screen protector up towards you and then push the squeegee up. At this point, the protective backing will come off the phone and the adhesive will start to stick to the screen. Now at this stage, I like to grab the microfiber cloth and then just push the edges of the screen protector onto the phone, as they won't have been pushed down by the squeegee. Now you can grab the front protective layer and peel that off. Now you can grab your UV curing light and place it at the top of the phone. Now turn it on by pressing the power button twice, at which point it will stay on for 60 seconds. Repeat this step for the middle and bottom. Now that the curing has finished, you can turn your device back on. You may still notice a line on the screen protector. However, in the instructions it says this will disappear after a few days of use. Now the phone is back on, you'll need to go into your settings and add your fingerprint again. If you'd like to purchase this screen protector, check out the links in the description below. And if you've enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe.